Why is it 0%?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree
Oh my God!
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, western Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandy Creek or near Fayetteville and is nearly stationary.
What?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Knew it.
Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Union City, Riverdale, Fairburn, Tyrone, Woolsey, Sandy Creek, and Inman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
After all
If you see wind damage,
these advisories.
hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 3 p.m. in Atlanta, thunder will...
Oh my God! Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday.
Oh my God!
At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar rainfall estimates between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen and thunderstorms are still occurring. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
Dude!
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bogart and Eastville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Oh my gosh!
At 8 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.